Hey guys, I picked up this G7200 battery charger. It's a Noco Genius, and it's a smart charger, I guess you'd call it. It's basically you plug it in and it does the rest. It's got a repair mode on it, which is what we're going to try to use today. And but it'll do AGM, it'll do lithium ion. It's even got a power supply if you don't even have a battery, like if you wanted to run a little air compressor or something. 5 amp maximum. The charger itself will go to 7.2 amps. So it's not it's not like my old Schumacher. I just poured a coal to it, but it's got some interesting features that I thought was worthy of trying. It's also got an excellent trickle charge mode, or not mode. It like I say, everything's pretty much automatic on it. So let's take a look at it and try the repair feature on it. So once you hook it up, you plug it in, and that's all you do. It takes it from there. This battery is from Academy. It's an old battery, but I've taken care of it. I say old. It's maybe 2 years old. It's an Xi battery. I'm not crazy about those. I've had 2 of them identically to this, and they've all quit on me early. This battery is a little weak now because it's been sitting there on the floor, but when it's fully charged, the specific gravity never goes above 1.250, and right now I'm going to charge it up to full capacity before we go into the repair mode, and that's what the instructions say to do, so that's the way we're going to do it. Okay, so I've had this thing on charge now for about 8 hours, and it just won't get into the 100%. The 100% light won't come on, which when a battery's fully charged, it should be solid green and the other lights should be off. So it's kind of toggling between 75 and 100%. So I'm not going to go any further with it. I'm going to switch it to the repair mode, and we'll see what happens after that. Okay, so before I switch it to the repair mode, I'm going to check the specific gravity. A good battery would be a minimum of 1260, I believe, is the top of the green there. And you can see there's a little bit of white. It might be hard to see right there, but it just, it's fully charged there, but just won't get quite into the green area, which starts at about 1260. That's considered to be a good battery. The repair mode, all you do is hold the mode button down for 3 seconds, and you can toggle between the different settings. That just keeps you from accidentally hitting the button while you're in the charge mode and going into the wrong setting. So we'll note the start time here and see how long it takes before it tells us it's either repaired or it's not going to repair it. Now when it's repaired, the green light should go solid, and the red and orange lights that are before it now should go out completely, and we'll see if that ever happens. So let's give it a go. Well, just about the time that I was ready to give up on it, the darn thing finished up. As you can see, it's a solid green light now, and it's done. So it took 3 days and nearly 9 hours about, which is unbelievable. But I could tell it was making progress. Is the only reason I stayed with it that long. But let's go ahead and look at the specific gravity. I've been checking the voltage and amps going in all the way through, and it hadn't been anything exciting. About 1.5 amps and about 14 volts is all it's been taking. It's supposed to be some sort of a pulsing type technology, but I don't know if you can see it, but we're in the green. So we've come down to or increased our specific gravity to about 1.1265. Some of them I read close to 1.27. So it definitely, you can definitely see green above that meniscus or whatever it's called. So it looked like the old 7200 did do its job, although it took 3.5 days almost to do it. I've seen videos where people had, did not have luck with it. The instruction sheet says it might take 4 hours to repair it. I think that's a little ambitious. And, leaving it on for days like I did, it looks like it was successful. And I don't think the battery was that bad off as far as the sulfation. But anyway, that's not why I bought it, but it's good to know that it's not all hype. It looks like a pretty good little unit, so I'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and adios.